Hi guys, I was gifted this Christmas tree flagpole topper from the seller so I could show you all its cool features and how you set it up. So it does come with all the clips, and you just clip them on the holes right here on the outside. You stick this on the top of your flagpole and you clip your lights to these clips. So I'm going to go outside and set it up on my flagpole and show you how cool it looks. Okay, this is real simple to install. I have a telescoping flagpole here, so that'll make it easy. You just take off the top of it, stick it through the hole, and put the top back on. Next, we're going to put the clips on the sides to hold the wires. They're double-sided clips, so they clip on real easily. I'm going to go ahead and do that and show you after I got the lights strung up on it. Okay, I got it all set up. I got my light strung up to it. I'll show you what it looks like at night. Okay, you can see it at night, how cool it is. It's out by the road, and I got it on my flagpole. That Christmas tree topper made it all happen. So if you guys want to do this with your flagpole, create a lighted Christmas tree for Christmas, go ahead and get that topper. So if you guys need a topper for your flagpole to make a beautiful Christmas tree light out in your yard, go ahead and get this one. It'll work great for you.